Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today we come up with another video again in which we are going to show you how you can add different kinds of shadow effects in any image in Canva. So to know about that, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so now we are going to show you how you can add different kinds of shadow effect. And for that, we have selected an Instagram post blank page and now we are going to add an element in it. So we are going to search for girl here. Now as you can see here, we have several girls, but we are going to select a girl from photos section because the shadow effect is only applicable from the element which is from photos section. So keep in mind that guys. Okay, so as you can see here, we have so many girls. So while we are selecting one, I want to tell you all that one video is flashing in your eye button. So if you also love watching our video, then do watch that video as well after watching this one. Okay guys, so we are going to select this girl. And now we are going to adjust it in page. Also, we are going to change its background color to yellow so that the shadow effect is clearly visible. Okay guys, so now we are going to duplicate it into 6 parts. And now we are going to apply different kinds of shadow effect in each part. So to the first part, we are applying this glow effect. So the glow shadow effect is going to look like this. Okay guys, so now moving to the next part. To this part, we are going to apply this drop shadow effect. So it also has shadow effect but in drop way. Okay, now moving to third part. And now to this part, we are going to apply this angle shadow effect. So as you can see here, the shadow is looking in the angular way. Okay, now to the fourth part, we are going to apply this curved effect. So you can apply different kinds of shadow in different ways in any of the image from Canva. Okay, now to fifth part, we are going to apply another shadow effect, which is the page lift shadow effect. Okay guys, now to the sixth and last part, we are going to apply this backdrop shadow effect. So this is going to look like this. So here we have all our shadow effects which you can apply in Canva. Okay guys, now we are going to show you each and every shadow in thumbnail view. As you can see here, each and every shadow is different from each other. Also guys, you can do different kinds of manipulation with the shadow effect. As you can see, to the first part we have applied this glow shadow effect. Now in this we can do variations in different things like in size, in transparency, in blur, as well as in the color of shadow. So we are going to set its size to 14, its transparency to 53 as it looks good, its blur part to 18, and also you can change color of this shadow. Like you can see, we are applying different kinds of color here. Okay guys, so we are going to stick to this gray. Now you can see different kinds of shadow effect here. Also guys, I want to show you one more thing. You can apply the shadow effect in any element from the photo section. For giving you a demo, I am going to select any other photo from this section. So we are going to select this image and now we are going to apply shadow effect in it. So guys, you can see here we can apply each and every kind of shadow effect in this image as well. So you can apply these effects in any image from the photo section. Also guys, you can apply it by removing its background as well. As you can see, we have removed the background of this image and now we are going to apply any shadow effect in it. Okay, so as you can see, we can apply glow effect, we can apply drop, angle, curve, page lift and backdrop as well. So we are going to stick to drop effect. And now we are going to increase its size a little bit. So guys, in this way you can apply the shadow effect to any image from the photo section of Canva. So guys, here we have a final photo shadow effect. So I hope you got to know how you can add different kind of shadows in Canva to any image. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you got a value here, and now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.